Hello, do you know how to count 5 past on a 12-hour clock? Okay, if you don't, stick around because you're going to learn. So 5 past is when you're reading on a 12-hour clock like this, okay, and when the number joins and finishes on this number here. So let's explain how that works. So to make your life easier, let's put a P on this side for past and a T on this side for 2. Okay, so all you need to know is every one of these numbers equals 5 minutes. So that's why this first one would be 5 past, because it's the first lot of numbers that you would get to get 5 minutes. So if I put the minute hand going there, and then the hour hand could be going here, for example. Right? So this clock is saying that it is 5 past, that's why the P is here, it's 5 past 2. Okay? So remember, every one of these clocks and every one of these numbers on the clock equals 5 minutes. Okay? And because this is the first number you hit, that's why it is 5 past. And this one would be 10 past, and so on, and keeps going on. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you the next one. Bye!